Let's try. That one will work as a tread. To look back and see nothing, or initially see nothing, but then at the end you see a functional trail that can bring people out together, it can bring people out for social interaction, can connect, from one place to the next. It's just a really good feeling of accomplishment.
I would say more than anything, it's just fun to be out in nature, out in the middle of nowhere, camping, hanging out with friends that I've known or gotten to know since the beginning. I trail run and mountain bike and play, camp in the area, and it's good to give back. So.
Being able to see someone use a trail that you just installed or you've just built within the last, 2 hours is one of the most satisfying and cool things, honestly. Next thing you know, you have hikers coming back and forth and everyone's just immediately like super thankful, and everyone's also, you're seeing people better able to walk on it. You're seeing people not, tripping over the logs, and instead they're just enjoying their time.
Wildlands, I've met a lot of cool people and we do cool projects, so we keep coming back. I really like the sledgehammer. It's my favorite part about trail building. But it's fun, you learn a lot. Wildlands has some awesome crew leaders and mentors, so I've learned a lot about rock work and stuff.
I come out here because I get to camp, I get to hang out in nature, I get to ground myself and get away from all the stresses that kind of bog me down throughout the week. I absolutely love it because I just get to escape and have fun.
Okay, you ready to pull out some tension?
Working on it.
Okay, just and stop.